Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. It's an honor to come your way again. I hope you all are doing great. In today's recipe, I share with you this delicious coconut jollof rice recipe. So let's get started. Into my pot, I have my chicken neatly washed. I went in with some blended garlic and ginger, some all-purpose spice. I also added seasoning tablets, some salt, and went ahead to blend my coconut. So I added some of the milk to my chicken meat. I'll go ahead, give this a quick stir, then cover it and let it cook for some minutes. After some time checking on the chicken, it is well cooked. I will just take it off from the fire and then proceed with the frying process. And if today is your first time of seeing this channel, thanks for clicking on this video. I'm Getty and you are welcome to my channel. I share easy recipes on this channel, and if you like what you are seeing, kindly click on the subscribe button and also turn on your post notification bell for future uploads. Okay, so to start with the stew, I used the same oil I used to fry my chicken meat. So I went in with some onions. I will allow this to fry for some 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I added my tomato paste and stir everything together. I will also let this fry for 5 minutes. So I want to appreciate my new and returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos and also leave a comment under my post. I'm truly grateful and I wouldn't have been here without your support. So after some time, the tomato paste has fried very well. So I'll go in with my blended tomatoes and stir everything together. I'll also add my chicken stock which I got earlier on from the steaming of my chicken meat. So I went ahead to cover this and let it cook. So after 10 minutes, the stew is doing very well. Okay, so now at this point I'll go in with my chili powder. I also added some nut milk. I also went in with some curry powder, all-purpose spice, some shrimp powder, and stir everything all together. Guys, at this point, our stew is almost done. So I went in with some half seasoning tablet and also some salt. I will then stir everything and cover it for some few minutes. So at this point, our stew is well cooked and it smells so amazing. So I went ahead to scoop some of the stew and set it aside. After that, I went in with my washed rice, and that is what I just added. So I'll just stir everything and let it toast for some minutes. Alright guys, so you can also follow me on Facebook to watch some of my videos and also watch my short videos on Instagram and TikTok and YouTube short as well. The name is Getty Cooks and it is totally free. So after toasting for 10 minutes, we have our rice. I'll go in with the rest of the coconut milk and then stir. So I'll go ahead and cover it. So after some time, I'll give this a quick stir. And then use my baking paper to cover it. So I will let the heat cook the rice. I'm not going to add any water. So after some time, you can see our rice is doing so well. So I'll go ahead and cover it with the baking paper again. Alright fam, our coconut jollof rice at this point is well cooked and just look at the vibrant color and I love the outcome. This looks delicious, yummy and inviting. With just a few ingredients you can put this together. So I'll go ahead and add some scallion which is optional. You can use any vegetables of your choice. So I will stir everything together, cover it and let it be on the fire for just 1 minute because I still want the scallion to be crunchy. Okay, my lovely people, our coconut jollof rice is all done and ready to be served. This coconut jollof rice is simple and easy to make. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching up to this time. If you enjoy this video, give it a like and also share this among your friends and family till I come your way again. See you guys in my next video and peace be with you all. Bye.